If you want your hair to grow fast, long, full and thick, use this aloe vera and onion oil to massage your scalp twice weekly. Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen Jade Natural. If you want to know how I do this remedy, I guess you should watch the video till end because hair do hungry. A lot of people don't know how to take care of natural hair. A lot of people complain for me on my video. They write it down. How can I grow my little natural hair? How can I grow my short hair? What should I put on my hair? And I reply them to stay tuned on this channel. So if you want to be taking care of your hair, if you want your hair to grow longer, faster and healthy like my children do, I guess you stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Welcome back guys. In today's video, I'm here to share with you guys how I use aloe vera skin, onion, ginger and carrots to make the oil that will help your hair to grow fast. Onion, carrots, ginger and aloe vera skin are the greatest ingredients that will boost your hair volume and also make your hair long, healthy and shining. The next thing I will do now is to cut all the ingredients into little pieces. After I'm done cutting them, I put this pot on a stove, then I add castor oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil. Then I add all the mixture of the oil into the pot. You can also use any oils of your choice. After adding the oils, stir them together and let it heat up for about 1 minute before you proceed putting your ingredients in. Fun fact, make sure you do this on low gas heat. Don't let the heat flame up. Make sure you lower your gas. If not, all the ingredients you want to put will flame up with the oils up. Low heat is good to proceed this process. At this point, turn off the stove and set it aside to let it cool down. After that, filter it with hose, then your oil is ready to use. Turn it into application bottle so that it can be easy for you to massage on your scalp. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down in the section box below. Apply this oil in your scalp and on your hair 2 times in a week. Before I go, I want to say a big thank you for 15,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all your compliments, all your comments under my video. And don't forget, your hair is your crown. I wish you all peace and love, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.